All right, super quick video here. Let's do a 2-minute video. This is about Slim Burn Drops. If you're looking around online, you're seeing a product called Slim Burn Drops, and there's a promise with this of a recipe of gelatin or something having to do with a recipe, and it ends up being a bottle called Slim Burn Drops. What you're looking at is scam marketing. I'm not calling Slim Burn Drops a scam. However, I am saying it resembles other scams I see all the time coming from Brazil, and that's not good. This could be, people doing the deep fake AI generated marketing with celebrities and famous doctors. That could be a third party. That could be someone who's an affiliate doing affiliate marketing, not official with the company, whatever it is I have to say, whatever. And so Slim Burn Drops, it resembles other products I've seen before that claim they're going to have miracle properties with weight loss. It's what celebrities use, famous celebrities, to lose weight, but it's not. That's a lie. And it's what doctors like Dr. Jennifer Ashton or Dr. Oz or Dr. Phil said that they recommended. But that's also a lie. None of that is true. This is a product that has no credible backing from doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people. You will not be able to find information about who's the founder. Why? I don't know. Are they hiding? You tell me. Or where they bottle this, or any information about the staff. I mean, it's something where if you can't find information easily about a product that you're going to be consuming, why would you then consume it thinking it has miracle properties? That would not be good, especially when you see deep fake marketing. Not saying it's coming from the company. I am, however, saying that it's dominating what is happening online with the product potentially, and that is not good. My advice will always be to go see a doctor and not to fall for a scam claiming that a certain product, which may or may not be a scam, has miracle properties when it does not. Like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below. That's really big. Slim Burn Drops reviews. Slim Burn Drops reviews and complaints. Slim Burn Drops reviews and complaints, rather. I hope that you were helped. Thank you for watching.